Here's a look at the Geloso that I just picked up off eBay. It's called a G-209. Sort of a primitive receiver. If you think about a Drake like R-4B or even an R-4A, this thing is pretty primitive for 1962, but it doesn't seem to have any AGC in sideband mode, which I guess people don't really promote, but that would be nice. That doesn't work. Anyway, so what does this thing have on it? Tone control and calibrator. The calibrator seems like it only works on like the megacycles. Phasing control, crystal control, selectivity, receive standby. Here's your main tuning here. And this is nice. It turns easy. Band selector, antenna trimmer, volume or audio gain, pitch control for SSB or CW, and this is the RF gain, mode, AM, upper, lower, and noise limiter. This thing, when it's on, it doesn't really hear anything, so radio might have a few issues, but basically out of the box, this thing is running, so I'm impressed by that. I'm on 20 meters now, and it does hear sideband. FT8. So I can only get an S meter reading if I go to AM mode. Then it kicks in the AGC and take up the RF here. There, now it's reading with the meter. So this is more of an AM radio, I think. It sure tunes nice. 20 meters. And like I said, if you put the calibrator on, okay, calibrator is on, and knocked me out here for some reason. So it's got intermittent connections with this, which is something's kind of gone intermittent here. Something is intermittent. Well, anyway. Yeah, there's the calibrator right there. So that's kind of odd that it calibrates way down there, which is the beginning of the band. Let's see, which bands have a 0 on them? So it should calibrate on band, what? Band 1. Let's see if that works. That's the highest band there is. That's 10 meters. Let's crank up the audio. RF gain's nailed. Antenna, a little bit. So it should pick up the calibrator here somewhere. Yeah, it needs a lot of adjustment. It's not hardly hearing anything there. 15 meters does not work apparently. Let's see. Here's 15. Is that? No, that's CB band. Can I hear any calibrator there? I was hearing some CB on this thing. Yeah, there's some stuff. So that works. Not real strong. Let's try 15 meters. 15 meters is dead. It's just completely dead. Here's 20. 20's alive. The calibrator's on, so it should hit down here. Yeah, there it is. Calibrator's on, so 20. I can't. Okay, yeah, so I should hit the calibrator down here. Actually, no, I need to be even, so that's not real useful. Yeah, it needs cleaned up. All right, 20 meters. What's going on? Somebody. RF gain's gotta be down on this thing. There you go. Pretty good. Right out of the box. Right out of the box. Well, let's try 40 meters. Okay, that's working. Turn that off. The calibrator. There we go. No one talking on here. Does 80 meters work? Let's see. I think it's band 6. Here's the 80. There's 80. I don't have an 80 antenna really, but let's see if it'll go. Yeah, it doesn't hear much. How about the calibrator? Yep. Well, anyway, that's my tour of the radio. Probably the military radio I had works better than this one, really. But it looks nice. It sure is a beautiful radio. Let's see. Let's go back to CB band. So there's CB band. AM. Volume up. It's nailed. RF is now nailed. Sideband. A little bit going on there. Yeah, I wonder, I don't know if there's any AGC in this thing. It doesn't seem like it. But yet, for this to run, it has to have some AGC, so. Yeah, the band's not too good. Let's try 20 again. Not much going on. I'll try it tonight and see how good it goes. It's still the 4th holiday, so. All right. That's it for the radio. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.